Okay, we've flipped our shrimp over, and we're going to let it boil down just a little bit more. If you would like this to be creamy, you can add a tablespoon of butter to this, and that'll bring the sauce up a little bit more. We're going to check our rice. Our liquid is just about absorbed. So I said before that we're going to wait till the end to season it. So we're going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. We're also going to stir in about half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to go ahead and stir that all together. Once that's evenly incorporated, we're going to put the lid on and we're going to let that cook for about another minute more.